Next, click on Control System view to display Control System canvas. Notice the bottom section of the component toolbar now shows 3 group icons. Each group icon contains various control components. They are General Table, Controller, and Trip. For example, in the Trip group, you will see the component like AND, OR, XOR, equal, not equal, etc. To add the Trip component, select it from the group and click on the canvas to place its node. Double-clicking a control node opens its card editor panel, which includes a drop-down menu for the component number, labels for displaying the card and word information, data entry fields, and a save button. You can change the trip type by choosing a different operator, and you will see the node shape update accordingly. To build a connection between different control systems, let's add another component. We can pick a controller and click and add to the canvas. Then Control plus right click on the trip, hold and drag the cursor to the controller node, then release to connect them. Once connected, the relevant data automatically appears in the editor panel. We can double check it by double clicking on the controller node. And you see the trip number 601 is automatically entered. You will notice that the connected components form a group within the right rectangle. You can move each component within the group, or you can move the entire group. If you have multiple groups, you can merge them by creating a connection between any components in the two groups. For example, we can copy and paste, make another group, and by connecting the components, you merge the two groups. Now let's discuss other input cards or additional input cards that don't require graphical representations. These cards are actually located within that additional input cards toolbars. If you don't see the toolbars, you can go to Windows and toolbar and make sure the additional cards toolbar checked. These cards include miscellaneous cards, timestamp cards, plot, additional plot cards, minor edit, kinetics cards, thermal property cards, interactive and radiation cards. Now you can edit any of these cards by simply click on the icon. For example, you can click on edit timestamp cards, and it's going to pop up this timestamp cards input editor. Similar to the hydraulic component and controllers component, the input editor composed with line edit, labels, and checkbox, and push buttons. Now once you're done with editing, you can just save. You can also access these cards through the system view. Double click on the relevant icon. For example, go to timestamp here, double click on it. Again, you bring up the input editor for timestamp cards. Similarly, you can add data for other specialized cards, such as plot request, minor edit, and kinetics, etc., using the same editor interface. For detailed definition and required of each card, refer to relapse scanf sim manual.
In section 3, we covered how to enter data for thermohydraulic components, control system components, and various other input cards in RHYS-ASYST. In our next session, we'll explore how to import an existing input model so you can quickly visualize an established model, along with some handy tips to presenting your normalizations in a clear, professional way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next RHYS-ASYST training video.